Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the essentials and making the first concrete moves. Mount your 360 camera or set up a DSLR on a panoramic head, then lock exposure and white balance so frames match. Walk the space once, marking tripod spots and noting bright windows or reflections. Capture sample frames to verify stitch alignment and horizon level. This saves time later. Once done, confirm your shot list and battery/storage are ready so you can move efficiently into full capture. You continue by capturing full sets and then stitching them into panoramas. Shoot each position with sufficient overlap and consistent camera height, vary bracketed exposures only if needed for HDR. Transfer files into organized folders named by Pano ID and keep raw originals. In your stitching app, align control points, choose the correct projection, and fix visible seams and ghosting. Make sure to check the horizon and verticals. These adjustments make your panoramas feel stable and natural before you export. You finish by assembling the tour, linking scenes, and polishing interactions. Import your stitched panoramas into a tour builder, create hotspots for navigation, and add info or audio where needed. This guides viewers through the space. Optimize files with tiled multi-resolution export so loading scales across devices, then configure initial view angles and compass orientation. Publish to a hosting platform or export a package, and test on desktop and mobile. If panoramas misalign, recheck stitch control points and horizon correction as a primary fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.